Perfect. So it is a little after 5:30 p.m. on Sunday, June 30th, 2013, and that was the startup and shutdown of the downstairs unit. Climate-tough reciprocating compressors have a distinctive sound to them. And I actually don't know if this one has a recip in it or not. It's kind of hard to, I can't see up over the thing, and I don't want to step up on that thing. This is a 2007 American Standard heat pump. I do not know what nominal tonnage or what model it is. I mean, it's a 2007, so it's at least a 13 SEER. And shut up. Perfect. Alright, so that was the basement unit. Just for grins, let's go back and look at the back. So here is the upstairs unit again. It is actually pretty quiet. You can see the label, but it's got an Emerson fan motor. Just to give you an idea of how quiet it is, I mean, most of the noise is coming from the buffeting of the fan blades. It is not noisy at all. Oh, wait a minute. 2A6. This is a 3-ton. This one's a 3-ton, I believe. Alright, I'm going to snap a picture of the data sheet. So, yeah, if I'm reading the data sheet correctly, this would appear to be a 36,000 BTU, and the one in the front of the house would be a 60,000 BTU, which makes little sense because unless the one in the front is for the whole house, and now that doesn't make sense. at all. So why would it be back here? I'm trying to figure things out. Because it would make sense that the 60,000 BTU unit heats and cools the rest of the house, and this one only heats and cools the downstairs area. When there was cold air coming out of the vents on the second floor, there was the unit in the front of the house was not running. So I don't know what's up with that. Either way, I still think they're two really good units. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.